My name is Isaac Oyekule. I am the founder of etc Vibes. etc Vibes is an edtech platform that is aimed at improving the academic performance of students. I am a proud product of etc Vibes. I graduated the best students in my department, all thanks to God, all thanks to etc Vibes. etc Vibes is being powered by artificial intelligence, such that irrespective of your level academically, you get recommendations and resources that will make you understand a particular subject or topic effectively. You can also request for personalized tutorials on etc Vibes as a student. We reward our tutors financially after every session. We also reward financially our academic content creators on the platform. We run a subscription-based model for revenue generation for the organization. We also have a growing community of students all over several universities in Nigeria of over 500 users currently. We wish to grow the community to over 1,000 this year. We also run a referral system such that you refer a person and you get a particular amount of money once the person subscribes. With the asset grants, we'll be able to run our services effectively and reach as much students as possible. Thank you.